Well, we're in Iowa. We just made it across the river. We didn't see the sign that said welcome to Iowa. We got 4,400 miles, 0.1. We're headed to a fairgrounds somewhere in Iowa. We get power for $15 for the night, so that's what we're gonna do in Iowa. We're gonna get there about 3:20, so we'll have time to ride bikes, have some fun, check some places out. We get to see Iowa mostly from the road. Home base Iowa community.
There's a sign, Daddy.
Smokestacks, yeah. Callan, look at these windshields, man. We need to clean this windshield really bad. But it's definitely gorgeous country, I would say. 35 miles from Waterloo. Hard to drive.
We're playing Uno.
How was the game?
I beat him twice.
Because I'm not paying attention to her stats.
You better pay attention to her stat. We got to clean this windshield, babe. It's getting bad. Yeah. Big, great, juicy grasshoppers. Iowa. Got a flat-nosed Pete coming around with a load of bacon. Gunner in there, we say bacon. A load of bacon coming around, Gunner. Big old load of bacon. You see that load of pigs? Welcome to Waterloo.
At the stop sign, turn left onto South 8th Street. In 1.5 miles, turn right onto 240th Street.
I gotta see if we can actually stay here, if there's any openings.
Good level.
Hold up.
It feels like we're on pretty good level.
We're fixing to get real now. Sweet, well.
Callan's on the highest gear right now. So this road right here is just so smooth. I love it. Whoop. Now, and also do not try doing no-handers at home. Some canoes. Hey, I like that new tire. That new white one. Can I hold this? Yeah. It's so hard for me. Here we go, guys. You're riding with me now. Oh, no-hander around the tree. He pedals with no hand. Well, don't push it hard where the kids just slowly tap it, tap it.
It's hot right here.
It is. I just think it's just wrapping up.
Mama, oh, hey, little guy.
It's a red ear. He does look long. I think he's trying to warm up. Put him over here in the sun, over here.
Dad, do you see his head moving?
Yeah, he's moving real slow because he's a reptile. He's air temperature. He needs to get hotter. Right there's a good spot.
Hey, oh, hey.
He's an old one though. Look at his shell.
Yeah.
Let's put him
He was
up.
up on land because that
We'll put him
water's really cold.
Put him up here where the waves can't get him when he's in the sunshine. There you go, buddy. Go kill more fish.
Watch the fish. It's good I spotted him before.
It says Clear Lake.
Well,
Doesn't look that big on the satellite. But,
It doesn't look that big.
well, you know, I've been to the Great Lakes and now my perspective's all messed up. After Niagara Falls, no other waterfall looks the same.
Daddy, look at that.
Yeah, you don't want to walk off.
For a jet ski.
But look at this. You don't want to walk off into that.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Daddy, you know that's recording.
I know.
That's the truck I need.
It's a pretty one.
Why?
Pretty green one. Playing.
Daddy, look at this.
What is that technique? So get, you gonna say hi to our circle, sis? Peace to our circle. Look, we're eating this. And Callan is eating him a hot dog.
I even tried it. Daddy, was it good?
It was very good. How was your hot dog?
My little Stevie. You got a what? My stem. I got a bite. Stem. Look at my stem. I got a pedal. I dropped a stem on the ground.
Well, see, we're over here in Iowa.
Nebraska to the north is.
No, Illinois and Iowa. Yeah, that's where we're going next. We got to scoot over to Nebraska. Let's get Iowa on there. Now we're headed to Nebraska. We're going to stay right on the Missouri River. We'll get it right there. Catch South Dakota,
Daddy, Texas.
Minnesota, North Dakota, Montana.
Daddy, didn't know Texas and California are the two biggest states.
Are they?
You know, I can go.
What? Oh, that was shoreline. What about Alaska? Alaska's a lot bigger, but it's really up here. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
All right, we're leaving Clear Lake, Minnesota. No, Iowa. Sorry, I thought we were going to go to Minnesota, but we changed our mind because we need to get to Nebraska. We can't leave Nebraska, where we'd have to come back to it later. So we're going to scoot west across the Missouri River and call it good.
What is he doing? Squirrel, squirrel. He saw them this one. He acted a lot better than he did yesterday.
Their behavior self center.
Good boy. Him a good boy.
So here we go. We got 3 hours to Nebraska. trip mileage is almost 4,600. And we're on the state 27. Nebraska will be 27. And I don't know what day we on, babe. 20, we're on 30. Day 30, something like that. Rolling.
In 1.3 miles, turn right to merge onto I-35 South.
We'll do it. We'll do it, Siri. Well, they got the wind turned off in Iowa. I hope y'all didn't need electricity today. See that? The combine with tracks. That was awesome. We're about 60 miles from the border of Nebraska. There's a strange haze in the air. I don't know if it's forced out west or what, but man, the wind ain't blowing hardly at all. Now the wind fields are going. But here is western Iowa. It's slowly getting flatter and flatter. Look at the shells they put on those fields. Big shells. I thought we were getting into flatter and flatter land, but it did that for a little while. Now we're getting more into these rolling hills again. And I need to clean my windshield really bad. Well, my windshield cleaner. He's taking a nap. We're only about 45 minutes from where we're stopping in Nebraska for the night. Right, Gunner? Babe, we're fixing to cross the Missouri. We're gonna be in Nebraska. Iowa. Beautiful place.